In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change layouts in TradingView. Changing the chart layout lets you view one or several charts on the screen at once, which is perfect for comparing symbols, tracking multiple timeframes, or keeping an eye on correlated markets. We'll keep it simple and move through the essentials so you can switch layouts quickly and confidently. First, head to tradingview.com. You can open it in any modern browser. If you use an account, being signed in helps TradingView remember your preferences and saves your layout choices for later, but you can follow along without that. Next, choose the Stocks section and open a full chart. Use the search bar to load any symbol you want to analyze, then look for the full featured chart view. This opens the workspace where all layout controls live, along with your drawing tools, indicators, and timeframes. Now look to the top right area of the chart for the layout setup control. It appears as a small grid-style icon labeled Select Layout. Depending on your window size, it may be tucked into the toolbar alongside buttons like indicators and alerts. Click that control to reveal the available grid arrangements. From here, select the layout you want. You'll see choices ranging from a single chart to multiple panes, such as 2 side-by-side, a 2x2 grid, or other combinations. When you click a layout, TradingView immediately restructures your workspace to match that selection. Some multi-chart options may require an upgraded plan, so if a choice is grayed out or prompts you that's expected behavior, pick any available option that fits your workflow and you're done. The new layout is now active. In multi-chart layouts, each pane can display the same symbol with different timeframes or entirely different markets, letting you compare at a glance without switching tabs. That's all there is to changing layouts. The key is to be inside the full chart, open the layout selector at the top right and choose the grid you prefer. Once you get comfortable with this, it becomes easy to toggle between a single detailed view and multi-chart setups for quick comparisons. If you ever want to revert, just open the same layout menu and choose the single chart option again. If you use TradingView on more than one device, your chosen layout typically carries over when you open the same saved chart, which keeps your workflow consistent. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, practice switching layouts a few times so it becomes second nature. The more you use it, the faster your analysis becomes.